In this video, we will go over how to set up the instructor camera and the student camera in your HyFlex space for the first time. When you enter the room, make sure that the lights are on and turned all the way up so that all the areas of the room and the students that will be there are well lit. The control pad at the instructor station controls which camera and technology source is sent to Zoom or the classroom display, as well as controlling the camera and computer volume. First, let's set up the classroom cameras. Touch the cameras icon to bring up the camera controls. You should see a shot of the classroom or yourself at the instructor station. There should be at least one camera facing the instructor's podium and another facing the student seating area. In addition, they all have preset viewing angles so that you can select the one that best suits your delivery style. When you are first getting started in one of our HyFlex spaces, you should choose one camera and preset angle that works best for viewing the instructor, and another camera and preset angle that works best for viewing the students. Record these options so that you can set up your classroom easily in the future. Some of our rooms are equipped with cameras that track the instructor's movement. You may need to select another camera if you don't see this option available. Our HyFlex classrooms also have microphones distributed throughout the room so that you or the students can easily be heard wherever you are in the room. Before beginning your HyFlex course, we recommend that you take the time to familiarize yourself with your HyFlex space and get to know all of the technology in the room. Go through each of the camera angles and find the ones that work best for you, and know how to switch between each camera and the different technologies available in your HyFlex space. Please review this video before your first class, and if you need any assistance or would like a consultation, you can reach out to us via 6Tech. Thank you.